demonstrate the steps to my new line dance. It's called Steppin Out Platinum. The artist is Kimball Hooker. All right, starts off 4 pimp walks. I'm gonna do it from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your 4 pimp walks. I'll do them in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, you're gonna do 8 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and slide from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and slide. On that first pivot, you're going around 3/4. Next step will be your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and triple step. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step. Walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, coaster step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step. Go up, back, coaster step. Up, back, coaster step. Now we're going to do the weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross over, cross over. 4 pretty girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back, weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple step. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go cross. Cha cha cha. Cross. Pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are all the steps in this line dance. Okay? So raise your hand when it says throw your hands up in the air and party. Stepping out. Chocolate Platinum and Kimball Hooker. Thank you.